I'm sorry I look ridiculous, but yeah, today I'm not. Some people go like, I'll be showing you how my day went, and then they mix up their videos, but I don't want to get all mixed up. So I'm just gonna say, today we're going to this monkey wall thing, like monkey forest, and it'll be quite fun. And I'll be showing you. This will be like a kind of vlog, and we'll be meeting up with other people. Okay, so I will see you. Okay guys, so we are in the car right now, and here is Blake and here is Leo, and we're on the way to Monkey World now, or Monkey Forest. Oh, okay.
And we're going to see baby monkeys.
Yeah, I know, it'd be quite cool, and we're going to see our cousins, and it's a bit loud because the window's open, but yeah, our baby cousins are coming as well. So yeah, it'll be pretty cool, and yeah. So yeah.
Can you shut the window?
And then okay, so we'll see you at Monkey Forest or Monkey World. Okay, so hi guys, we are now in a kind of toy store in place, and it's pretty cool. There's loads of teddies around here, and it's quite cool things. So yeah, got a few pens. We've got
Stretchy monkey.
yeah, it's stretchy monkeys. Stretch.
That's what.
Earrings, monkeys. You know what these are? These I'm not sure. Like keys, rings, another few rings, pencils, rubbers on, notebooks and curly teddies. I think does a Monkey Forest DVD. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Look at this.
Okay, so I'm just gonna guys. So I'm just gonna meet you at the next stop. So I think it's gonna be the monkey place. Okay. So yeah. Okay guys, so we're about to enter the...
You can watch it.
Yeah, I know.
Watch yourself on it.
Yeah, I know. So, what we're going to do is we're entering the monkey place now.
You have to go through a few safety rules with you before you enter the enclosure because the monkeys are free ranging. So
okay. I don't think that we're allowed our phone, so I'm just going to turn it off now. Yeah, it's quite fun. Okay guys, look. Look at all those monkeys. So that one he's cleaning fleas out. Oh gosh. I thought that monkey was coming closer to me. Yeah, okay. Sorry. Oh, look at that baby. Look at
Upside down.
guys, I think, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the babies. But yeah. Yeah, sorry guys, I just want to show you, okay? So yeah, I will see you guys back at home. Okay guys, so what a day it has been today. Seeing the monkeys at Monkey Forest or Monkey World. Yeah, so what day?
So please comment down below what video you want me to make next. Please like and please subscribe so we can get to as many subscribers as we like. Please check out Hunter Josh 978 and Goldilocks Goldilocks 2 X's on the end gaming. Okay, till then, see ya.